want to speak to the person who is in a situationship. If you're seeing a guy who just really isn't showing up fully, he's just not wanting commitment, and you are ultimately feel like, ugh, like a part of you is hoping he'll change his mind, but you're really just feeling anxious, or maybe moments of like, I'm feeling more insecure than usual, and this isn't what I actually want, but like I'm scared to walk away from it. If you are in that dynamic, I have something really powerful to share with you. It's two things. One, I want to help you understand it. And two, I want to share Rosio's story, because she was in a similar experience, and she said, I was dating my for now and not my forever. And once she did the heart work, the workbooks and the meditations that are inside my Manifest Your Evolved Man course, all of a sudden her phone rings. I kid you not. You cannot make this stuff up, and it never ceases to amaze me as well. And I created this course, so it's still, I get mind blown. Her phone rings, and a guy that she had met 7 years ago called her, a friend, and he was just like, hey, and just randomly calls her out of the blue, right? This is the power of the heart work. It's quantum. It rearranges things. And called her, and they just caught up. And then he's like, hey, I want to take you on a walk on the beach. All of a sudden there's feelings, and lo and behold, they are now married. The principles inside of Manifest Your Evolved Man are timeless and powerful. I have so many testimonials like this. So she was in a situationship, or she was in a for now, not a forever. The reason cutting off the cord for the situationship that you may be experiencing right now is so important is because what's happening is, if you are also desiring devotion, commitment, and family, you are being pulled between two identities. You're being pulled between one version of you that's entertaining this one frequency, but there's this desire for another. So when you cut the cord, you are collapsing that identity. So you're bound to move through some discomfort, because sensations just want to move through the system. But that's all they are. They're just sensations. Maybe missing, maybe longing, maybe fear, maybe scarcity. Maybe these things will come up. This thing's slowly falling. And that's okay. You can breathe through them. And this is where Rosio also wanted to inspire you and said, you need to have faith. And that's the power of making a brave choice, where you cut off the situationship, you step into the other identity. That requires faith. And there's character building in that. So I'm here to fan the flames of faith, of that relationship with a man where there is deep devotion, care, and respect does exist, just like her story, just like countless other testimonials. And one of the big important steps is cutting off situationships. So I'm cheering you on. And if you want more support and you want to jump inside my Manifest Your Evolved Man course, I'd love to have you. It's powerful. You're going to do the same work that Rosio did and many other women, the heart work practical steps with workbooks, a meditation, and action steps, so that you can date smart and meet an incredible man. Now is the absolute best time to jump inside, because when you do, you also get my Date Smart kit, and you also get a 45-minute private session with me. This is the Black Friday bundle that will expire this Friday. So if you are ready to do the inner work to manifest an incredible man, know that it is possible for you, and you are one step away, and I'm cheering you on. And click the link below to see more details.